Hello, everybody. At this time, we are talking about a vision statement. A vision statement is a written document that describes where an organization is going and what it will look like when it gets there. The length of business vision statement is not generally a consideration. It can be short, long, or anywhere in between. The important thing is to write clearly and thoughtfully. Why? Because it is a basis for everything a non-profit does. For example, the board relies on the vision statement when making strategic plans and decisions. Moreover, the staff and volunteers also look to the vision statement for long-term direction, and donors will read it when deciding whether to support your nonprofit. Because your board will be referring to your business vision statement often, be sure to store it with your nonprofit's mission statement in your board EVAC board management system so board members can refer to it as needed. And then we move to the difference between a mission and vision statement. This is the easiest way to break it down. The first, the mission statement focuses on today and what the organization does to achieve it. Second, the vision statement focuses on tomorrow and what the organization wants to become. While companies commonly use mission and vision statements interchangeably, it's important to have both. Because having purpose and meaning is critical for any business. One doesn't work without the other. And then, how to write a vision statement? The first step, determine who will help write your vision statement. When starting out, it's likely you and your partners will be responsible for writing your company's vision statement. Once you start hiring, you can ask managers and employees to contribute additional insights. Interviewing a range of individuals will help create a vision statement that integrates and speaks directly to the entire organizations. And then second, project your goals for the future. Imagine your company 5 or 10 years down the line. The outcome you envision, your dream for the future, your success as a company should be captured in the vision statement. Keep in mind that the statement should only include the vision, not an actual step-by-step plan for implementing solutions. And then fifth, stick to the specifics. A generic vision statement, one that sounds like it should and could apply to any company, will not be enough to motivate your team. Vision works best when it's specific and describes an end goal only your organization can provide. Don't be afraid to dream big. A lukewarm vision will only yield lukewarm results. So it's important to be bold and even risky when waiting and writing your vision statement. And then fourth, keep it short and simple. While it should be specific, a vision statement shouldn't be overly detailed. It should be concise. Start by jotting down of all your ideas and then pare this down to the essentials. Keeping just one or two key points help create a clear vision that's easy for everyone to focus on and fulfill. Stay away from technical terms and jargon and use the present tense. Rather than trying to write something catchy, aim for clarity. A great vision statement works best when it's simple, memorable, and inspirational. And then we move to the importance of a vision statement. Companies of all sizes can benefit from writing a vision statement. For the planet's most powerful and influential organizations, vision statements are totemic phrases that can guide decades or perhaps even centuries of doing business. But even the small startups can find great value in crafting and adapting a vision statement. The process of creating a vision statement requires careful introspection and consideration of your company's core values. Figuring out which parts of running a business you're unwilling to compromise on cost, quality, the speed of service, the environmental impact, then backing those ideas into a vision statement helps to clarify the direction your company is moving in. Evolving companies can review previous statements as they grow and adapt to see which values have fallen by the wayside and which ones still remain part of the vision. And then we move to characteristics of an effective vision statement. The first characteristic, clarity. The vision statement should be clear and concise, conveying the essential message without ambiguity. And then second, aligned with values. It should reflect the core values and culture of the organization. Third, inspirational. It should inspire and motivate employees and stakeholders at all levels. And then fourth, realistic yet ambitious. While inspirational, the vision should also be achievable with effort and resourcefulness. And fifth, future-oriented. A well-created vision statement looks towards the future, describing what the organization aspires to become. And then finally, we move to the key benefits of writing a vision statement. The first benefit, guides strategic planning. A company vision defines the organization's long-term goals and helps set the stage for creating strategic plan. It can also help guide decision-making and inspire employees to take action that aligns with the strategic plan over the next 1 to 5 years. And then, second, shapes the branding of a company. The vision statement also guides the company in terms of brand name, logo, slogan, brand voice, and more. These are all points of differentiation in the market. And then third, helps build an organizational culture. By articulating the shared values and beliefs in an organization, The vision statement helps inspire and motivate employees. And fourth, facilitates business strategy changes. If a business needs to change its business strategy due to a new competitor or a shift in consumer behavior, it will first want to change its vision statement. This can help reflect the shift in long-term vision and set the stage for new branding and a product portfolio. I think it is enough. Thanks for watching.